Hello, welcome. Our discussion today is finding the concentration of solutions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find the concentration of a given solution. Look at the diagram, the diagrams on the screen. We have beaker A and beaker B. Beaker A contains the solution of copper sulfate, so is beaker B. So solution A, which is this, contains 2.5 grams of copper 2 sulfate in 1 dm cube of solution. That is 2.5 grams of copper 2 sulfate dissolved in 1 dm cube of water. So the concentration of this solution will be 2.5 grams per dm cube, because we dissolve 2.5 grams of the salt in 1 dm cube of solution. Solution B contains 25 grams of copper 2 sulfate in 1 dm cube of water. So we dissolve 25 grams of this salt in 1 dm cube of water. So its concentration is 25 grams per dm cube. What it means is that concentration means the quantity of the solute in 1 dm cube of solution, right? Good. The quantity of solute in 1 dm cube of solution. Now look at this third diagram. Solution C. It contains 125 grams of copper 2 sulfate in 0.5 dm cube of water. So its concentration is what? If concentration is the quantity of solutes in 1 dm cube, here we have the quantity, which is 125 grams in 0.5 dm cube, not 1 dm cube. So what will be the concentration? Just like we've said earlier, the concentration is the quantity in 1 dm cube. So what we'll do is this. We'll say, okay, if we have 125 grams of this copper sulfate in 0.5 dm cube, what would be the mass? What would be the mass? Let me say the mass as G. What would be the mass? What would be the mass in 1 dm cube? In 1 dm cube. That is what concentration is about, the quantity in 1 dm cube, right? So this will give us G equals to 125 grams times 1, that's cross multiply, all over 0.5. If you press your calculator, you find out that we are going to have 250 grams. So we are going to have 250 grams, and this 250 grams is in 1 dm cube, right? So we have 250 grams per dm cube. Good. 250 grams per dm cube. So the mass in 1 dm cube is called concentration. I hope you understand. Okay. Now, let me clean this to avoid. Okay. Good. Now, the concentration of a solution is the amount of solute in grams or mole that is dissolved in 1 dm cube of solution. the mass or the mole in 1 dm cube of solution. So if we have the mass in 1 dm cube of solution, we call that mass concentration. That is why I have mass concentration equals to mass of solid over volume in dm cube. Molar concentration is the amount in moles, which is mole of solid over volume in dm cube. So we have two different kinds of concentration: mass conc and molar conc. Mass concentration and molar concentration. Okay, good. That means we can as well write the concentration of solution A and B in moles instead of mass. So solution A can be written as 0.1 mole of copper sulfate dissolved in 1 dm cube of solution. So the concentration now, which is the molar concentration, is 0.1 mole per dm cube. Solution B is 0.02 mole of copper 2 sulfate in 1 dm cube of solution. So the molar concentration, that is the concentration in moles, will be 0.02 mole per dm cube, right? Now, C can as well be written as 0.7 mole of copper sulfate in 0.5 dm cube of solution. If you have 0.7 mole of copper sulfate in 0.5 dm cube of solution, what will be the molar concentration? Remember, the molar concentration is the mole in 1 dm cube. Don't forget, 1 dm cube. So what do we do now to get the molar concentration of C? The concentration of C in mole, which is the molar concentration, can as well be found just using the same pattern we did with mass concentration. We'll say, okay, if 0.7 mole is in 0.5 dm cube, then how many mole, let's use the C this time around, how many mole of the solute will be in 1 dm cube, right? Good. If we do that, then our concentration, which is the mole in 1 dm cube, I represented it as C. So we have C equals to 0.7 times 1 divided by 0.5. 0.7 times 1 divided by 0.5. If you press your calculator, you will have 1.4 moles. Remember, 1.4 moles per dm cube. Good. Per dm cube. So the amount, which is mole now, in 1 dm cube is called the molar concentration. I hope you understand. Okay. What if you are asked this kind of question? To find, let me clean this first. Yeah. Good. What if you are asked to find the concentration in moles per dm cube of 0.02 mole of sodium chloride in 250 cm cube? Now, this is 0.02 mole in 250 cm cube, and you are asked to find the concentration in mole per, that is molar concentration. What did we say that molar concentration is? We said that molar concentration is the mole in 1 dm cube, right? Good. This is 250 cm cube, not 1 dm cube. How do we now convert this to dm cube so that we can find the molar concentration? Note, 1000 cm cube is equals to 1 dm cube, just like 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So 1000 cm cube is equals to 1 dm cube. So if that is true, 250 cm cube will be how many dm cubes? Do you understand me? So how do we find this volume in dm cube? So you cross multiply to give us V equals to 250 times 1 divided by 1000. Okay, this will give you 0.25 dm cube. Now what this means is that we have 0.02, this should be 0.02 mole of sodium chloride in 0.25 dm cube, because 250 cm cube means 0.25 dm cube. So if that is true, what we should ask ourselves is now, how many moles, the concentration in 1 dm cube is our molar concentration, right? So if 0.202 mole is in 0.25 dm cube, so what will be the mole in 1 dm cube? That mole in 1 dm cube is our molar concentration. So what do? We say, okay, C, which is the molar concentration, will be equals to 0.02 times 1, right? Divided by 0.25. This will give us what? 0.02 divided by 0.25. This will give us equals to 0.08. Let me read it. Okay, 0.08 moles now. Mole per dm cube. Pardon me, I'm still learning how to use mole per dm cube, how to use this annotation. Good. Do you understand me? So the concentration will become 0.08 mole per dm cube. Any question? Good. Therefore, with this, you know how to convert cm cube to dm cube and now find the concentration. In our next video, we are going to find the relationship between mass concentration and molar concentration, so that if you are given mass conc, you can use mass concentration and find molar concentration. Okay? I hope you understand. Alright. See you soon. Bye.